Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about advanced fill. Now on the advanced fill, let's try some figures here and see. So we have 10 here you have 20, 100, you have Monday, you have January, okay, so now let's see for advanced fill. Let's see. So you want to drag and fill up to this place. So move the cursor at the right corner, then click and hold, and now drag and let's see. So you can see now it is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. Meanwhile, I want to start from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's drag this also and see. Okay, so this is merge, and let's go to, alright. So now let's drag and see. So you can see that this is also 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay. Now, in order to repeat 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, let's run that one here and see. So first one, that's SL, it length, and it length, and you must give it direction what to do. So let's type in 10, let's type in 20. So it means it must add 10, 10, right? So now let's highlight it. Let's highlight, and now let's drag and see. So you can see now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 in that order. Now with the same thing, let's see, 20, you want to add 40. Okay, now 40. So let's drag and see. We see now 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Now when you drag this, it keeps giving you 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. But when you have 100, 200, just type in only two values. Now highlight it and drag. Now when you drag, you see it keeps giving it to you. Now the same thing applies to now this Monday. Let's see if it's going to give it to us. Okay, good. So now Monday we have it. Now in January, let's see. Okay, these two we have it. And let's try another one. So we have numbers here, we have days, we have year. So now let's see 2015. So now let's see if we get the list, or okay, you see get 2015. So let's go back. Now let's add 2016. Now let's see. Okay, so you see you have 20 up 2027. Now let's go back and see. So 2022. Now the next one's will be 2021. Okay. Now so we are now going back and let's see. Alright, so you can see that now this flash fill is very important. Although we've talked about some previous videos concerning the flash fill, but this is the advanced one. This is an advanced fill, advanced fill. So in order to do that, that's how to fill it. Let's say you want to create a list. Now the list, the first name, you have Fred, you have Jimmy, and you have Boston. Now with these names, you want to repeat them 3 times. You want to repeat this name 3 times. Okay, maybe you are just doing a duty roster and you need to repeat this name 3 times. You don't need to type in the first one here and come and start again. Then you start second one here, third one in that order. No. When you type in the first 3 names, highlight them. Now let's drag. It's going to repeat everything here till you just stop. So you can see now that's repeated the name that you type. The first 3. It keeps repeating. It keeps repeating. So you release the mouse as well. So that's the advanced fill, and the other one is let's type in a country like Ghana here. Now let's drag and see. We want the list of countries in Africa. Let's see. Because now we have Ghana, 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 Ghana. Now let's add one country. Okay, Ghana, and we have Togo. Okay, so since we have 2 here, It must work, isn't it? Okay, so now let's drag and see. You can see we have the same names being popped up. The question is why? Because these, what you see here, are the custom list in the Excel. Is in the settings. So when you talk about this January, it is there. That is why when you type the first letter or the first word, that's a Monday or January, the rest come. Okay. Now with this, it is not there. But as soon as you type in 20, 40, now it learns and knows that, okay, fine, you added 20, so let me add 20 to the next one. The same thing applies to this. But when you write Ghana and Togo, it's not having the list of countries in Africa here or countries in the world. Therefore, we need to just insert it there and to the settings and keep it. Now, when we do it in the settings and keep it, anytime you open this Excel, since it is the setup is on your computer, it is there already, so you can still get it. It's like when having a company and you have a list of workers. Now, when you type their workers, type it once to the settings and keep it. Anytime you want it, just type in the first person's name you remember and now drag. You don't need to just type everything all together because it is already. Now, how can we customize this list so that we can type in Ghana or Togo to draw it down to get the rest of the countries? How can we do that? Okay, in order to do that, go to File. Now, those using Windows operating system, go to File and go to Advanced, Files or Option and go to Advanced. So when using Mac OS 2, you go to the same, you go to Excel, then you go to Preferences. Now when you go to File and Options, click on Advanced. Now when you click on Advanced, scroll down to see the Custom List or Edit Custom List. Go down to see the Edit Custom List. Now in the Mac OS 2, as soon as you click Excel, go to Preferences, and now the Custom List is here. So you can see you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and you have Sunday. You can see it's over here, and we have this. Now you want to add the names of countries in Africa. So let's add this and see. So let's type in, we have Ghana, let's add Togo, Benin, Nigeria, Niger, South Africa, Botswana, we have Swaziland, okay, we have Namibia, we have Ivory Coast, we have Burkina, okay, so let's say we have these countries. Now you can add them here. Okay, now you've added them here. So when you type in any of these countries, when you type in any one, you just drag and are going to see everything here. Now you can also, when you have the list, you can import it from the list or from the cell. You can import it. When you have it here too, you can also still import it in. Alright, so now when done, let's go and let's type in, let's start with Togo. So now let's drag and see. So now you can see that the names that we just added to the list, now they are here. So it's not only Togo, you can just type in Ghana, but you still have it. Now just drag and see. You see, you still have it. You can type in Nigeria, and you're still going to have it. So you still have it. So that's a way to customize the list. See, that's a custom list. So you can just do that and add what you want to, so that as soon as you just click, you just type and drag, it automatically filled it for you. Alright, so that is the advanced fill for this video. Alright, so I think today we've learned about how to just autofill here, or how to flash fill, or advanced fill, and how to customize the list as well. Now, one last thing is, if you want to fill it beside, so let's say side by side, let's say you have this 10 here, you have 20 here. Now, this 20, you want to fill this side. How can you do that? So you want to fill. So just select the text. Now the area, or highlight the cell that you want to fill and go to the Home tab. Go to Fill. Now when you go to Fill, you see we have down, right, up, and left. Right. So now you want to fill down. Now down is filled. Now I want to fill, that's a right. So right. Okay. In case we highlighted this area to you, you could have filled the left as well. Alright, so that is it for the advanced fill, and I think after this video we were able to utilize the advanced fill very well, because we've talked about the advanced fill part 1, part 2, and this third part. So we can just watch the previous videos and understand very well to utilize it well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.